Alright, as promised, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the basic search functionality. It's a really simple one here. So I will just save you guys a little bit typing time. So I will just quickly go through because I typed it out for you. Okay, so basically we create a search view. And in search view, we got a state of search tags, so we can store information. And we got an array of names, apple, banana, orange, mango, all that. So we can create a list. And then this will be our search logic, okay? And the search logic is really simple. If it's empty, return everything. If it's not empty, filter. We use this map filter. So $0 means the first one here. The first one lowercase, as long as it contains the search tags lowercase. So we just both lowercase. So as long as it's match, we're going to use it. And then we use the view. I use navigation stack because I want to add a navigation title of a search through app here. And then here comes the interesting part, is adding a searchable modifier. So make it searchable list. So for example, if I use apple, yeah, so we can filter the apple, right? And the search tags will be the search tags. We already declared that it's state variable, right? And then the list ID self and just loop all this name in this and print this text out. It's a really simple one here, and that's not the point. That's just a quick demonstration of how to use SwiftUI's default functionality to give a fully functional search. But in the next video, we're going to modify this and make a more customizable search and just make it a little bit nicer. Right now it's really crude, right? Really raw search. So see you in the next video. Bye.